Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey is suggesting that the attackers who murdered noted architect 42-year-old EhonDarling appeared to have been well trained or been exposed to some training in terms of firearms. The DCP's theory may have been based on the narrow radius of the bullet holes on the shattered windscreen of Darling's Nissan X-Trail motor vehicle in the Tuesday evening attack. Darling died behind the steering wheel at the intersection of Cargill and Skibo Avenues after he was shot repeatedly by men traveling on a motorcycle sometime after 6:30 p.m. His common-law partner, with whom he lived and shared 2 young children, said she has been distraught since receiving the terrible news. She said she was shocked by the incident as Darling had not expressed to her any concerns relating to threats against his life. Citing concerns about her safety, the woman said she had not yet fully come to grips with the prospect of raising her children without their father. In the meantime, his business partner and director of one of his companies, Damian Harrising, said Darling was a good associate and a good person who tried to help a lot of people. They operated a farm under the aegis of Linstead Organic Limited for a few years. According to company's Office of Jamaica Records, Darling had directorships in at least 2 other businesses, Darling Incorporated Limited and his brainchild, Virtuoso Concepts. The social media page of Virtuoso Architect Limited highlights some of the company's projects, including Hazeltine, Medina 21, Surreal at the Sugar Mill, Fontana Pharmacy, and Burt's Auto Parts. The company also designed the building owned by retired track and field star Usain Bolt, located along Halfway Tree Road. The Halfway Tree Criminal Investigations Branch is probing the killing. In Tuesday's attack, the pillion rider allegedly opened gunfire, hitting Darling, resulting in the vehicle crashing into a wall. The pillion rider reportedly fired again at the vehicle, hitting Darling several times. He was pronounced dead at hospital. A passerby who was traveling along Cargill Avenue from work said he heard explosions, but initially thought it to be noise from a motorcycle muffler. But soon after, when he heard another round of explosions, he realized they were gunshots. DCP Bailey, who is in charge of the crime portfolio, said the police have not yet determined the motive.
One bike, you see them a while ago, them go so. You see the bike when it goes so a while ago, man, but I never pay that, man. So what are you trying to opposite here upon there, sir?
Can't look at the man in park, man.
But I'm just going front time, man. So how then do that? 2 bike. Bike, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dog get, man. 9 in get, man.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!